Good afternoon, friends. Today in this video, we will learn about what is data collection. Data collection is the process of gathering and measuring information on variable of interest in an established systematic fashion. The level 1 to answer stated research questions, test hypotheses, and evaluate outcomes. It is a critical part of research, analysis, and decision making across variable fields, including business, healthcare, social science, and technology. Data collection techniques. So, what are the data collection techniques? First is the primary data collection. Primary data is data that is collected directly from first-hand source. This type of data is original and is specifically collected for the purpose at hand. First is surveys. Structure form that asks respondent specific question can be distributed online, in person, or by mail. Example of surveys is market surveys, customer feedback form. Second is interview, conduct face-to-face over the phone or online to gather in-depth insights. Example, job interview, customer interview. Third is observations, involve collecting data by observing subjects in a natural or controlled environment. Example, behavior studies or traffic patterns. Second is secondary data collection technique. Secondary data is data that has already been collected by someone else and is available for analysis. So the types of secondary data collection techniques are: first is existing databases like government database, research institutional data, or organization record. Example, census data, financial reports. Second is literature review, collecting data from previously published research articles and academic papers. Example, analysis trends in historical data. Third is web scraping, automated extraction of data from websites. Example, collecting pricing data from e-commerce websites. So, what is the difference between quantitative versus qualitative data collection? So quantitative data collection focus on numerical data that can be measured and statistically analyzed. Techniques, survey with close-ended question, structure, observation, experiments. On the other hand, qualitative data collection deals with descriptive data, provide deeper insight into the subject matter. Technique, open-ended interviews, focus groups, ethnographic research, case studies. What is the importance of data collection? It helps us in making informed decisions, ensure accuracy and reliability in research and analysis, aids in defining trends, patterns, and correlation. It provides evidence to support or refute hypotheses or theories. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video.